Welcome back, wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the wild world of the cassowary, one of the most dangerous birds on Earth. Found in the tropical rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, they can live up to 40 years. Their deep, booming call can travel through thick forest. They're fruit lovers, but also eat fungi, insects, even small animals. They lay big, green eggs, and here's the twist. The male builds the nest, lays on the eggs, and raises the chicks. Eggs hatch in about 50 days. Colorful, powerful, and mysterious, the cassowary is a rainforest legend. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more wild wonders. Until next time, stay curious. Only on Domestic Wild Channel.